Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So this time all crypto market is wake up, and it's a really good news for all of you. Especially I am so happy because I am also holder of Stellar XLM holder. So my brother, I very hardly and very my friend researched especially about Stellar XLM holder to what expert says about the price prediction. So my brother, I will note this one thing, my brother. Especially I want to tell you to in an upcoming time there is a 70% chance they will move upward. I clearly, my brother, after expert, my friend, absolutely when expert says, my friends, so they will wake up. So I cannot, my friends, tell you to they will wake up, because my brother, I know this is not work of just and only the one expert. This is absolutely need a lot of experts, especially to what expert says. Absolutely I will notify you, and I will alert you, and I will update you, therefore, because you are subscribed ABS channel. So kindly, if you are new and if you cannot subscribe, then subscribe this channel, and absolutely I will guide you, I will update you, I will research just and only for you now. So why you are not subscribing? All right, my brother, first of all, if you can see this time, this is the last 1 month chart, and this chart I am going to explain you. I am going to, my friend, do a technical analysis especially. So this time, absolutely, my friend, you can see here the first point. This is the first point of this chart, my friend. You can see here they will dumps down. So after this point, you can see here just and only make this triangle here now. So this triangle is going to show you, my brothers, today will falls down, and you can see here the price come to 0.3 USD dollar to 0.22 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, it's a 0.8 USD dollar lost now. Sorry, 0.808 USD dollar lost now. So this absolutely, my friend, they show you to upcoming time they will wake up. So I think they will recover at the price will again 0.222 0.28 USD dollar, again they recover now. So just only they will recover this, and after that, my friend, they will again dumps down. So you can see, my brother, they will make second triangle here now. So the second triangle, as you can see, my brother, absolutely also lost now, and the second triangle lost now. The second triangle come down to 0.28 to 0.22 USD dollar. So that's mean 0.24 USD dollar. So that's mean, my brothers, to they will cannot dumps down like a first fails. Absolutely, my brothers, you can see here they cannot fails down here. They fails down here. You can see here. Yes, absolutely. But therefore, absolutely, I want to tell you, my brothers, so they will move upward slowly. So after this jump, if you can see, they will come here. So I hope the second jump like this, absolutely, after a second jump, they will come here now. So I hope they will recover all the loss just in only in 1 week. And if they will recover, that's all lost now just in only in 1 week. So why you are starting saying, please hold it. I hope the price will be increasing in upcoming time, and they will give you a very good profit. So kindly don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel. Hope you understand.